Hi kids! We've come to witness the annual tug of war competition between two of my favorite teams. On the right side, we have team positive, and on the left side, we have team negative. Whoever pulls the big box in the center towards themselves wins the battle. Let's start. Ready, set, go! Oh, this looks like a very tough battle. Let's help them out. What would happen if we remove one player from team positive? You guessed it. The box will move towards team negative as they have more players. Another way to make team negative win is by adding a player to their team. Team negative now has 3 players as compared to the 2 players of team positive, and this results in the box moving towards them. What can we conclude from this? We can say that subtracting a positive has the same effect as adding a negative, because in both the cases, the box moves towards team negative. In both the cases, team negative will win. What should we do if we want team positive to win? We can help them by adding a positive person to their team. Or, as we already know, another way to help them is by removing a person from team negative. The box will move towards team positive in both cases, because team positive will have more people than team negative. What do we conclude this time? We can say that adding a positive has the same effect as subtracting a negative. But how does all this help us? Well, we can use this knowledge to subtract integers. Let's see how. Here, we have to subtract positive 6 from positive 2. We just learned that subtracting a positive is the same as adding a negative. So, we can rewrite this as 2 plus negative 6. Now, let's add these two numbers using the rules of addition. Since the signs of both the numbers are different, we will ignore the signs and subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. That leaves us with 4. We will use the sign of the bigger number in the answer. That makes the answer negative 4. What we did here is that we changed the subtraction operation to the addition operation and replaced the second integer with its opposite, or the additive inverse. The opposite, or the additive inverse, of positive 6 is negative 6. Hence, we wrote the expression as 2 plus negative 6. This brings us to the rule of subtraction for integers. To subtract integers, we first replace the subtraction operation with the addition operation. Then, we replace the second integer with its additive inverse. Now, we use the rules of addition to add the two integers. That's all for today. Work with your tutor to subtract more integers.